Hello, traders, and welcome to my session on why the butterfly. I'm going to dive into the magnificent 7 reasons why you need this trade in your options trading arsenal. The butterfly isn't just a trade, it's a weaponized strategy that's wielded by seasoned professionals like myself for years. Before I dig into the butterfly, though, let me tell you just a little bit about myself. I'm a trader of 30 plus years, and over the last 10 years, I've assisted many options trading companies such as Option Alpha, Option Trader's Assistant, Aeromir, Online Trading Academy, and Option Strat with trader coaching and education. And most recently, at the end of 2022, I launched my own education site and alert service. So that's enough about me. Let's get into why the butterfly is so revered amongst options and income traders, more so than condors, calendars, diagonals, and verticals. So let's start with a deeper dive to understand why. So the fifth great reason I like butterflies is they're a little bit of what I would call a low maintenance marvel. If you put these trades on a ways out, anywhere from 30 days up to 60, 70 days out, this one happens to be 53 days out, and we come and roll this back to the start of the trade, so this is what the trade would look like at the start, we can see there's a very, very wide range. This market can drop 2, 3, 4%, 5%, or run up a significant percent without much impact on this trade. During the first half of the trade's life, 36 days into this trade, we can see we still have a very, very wide range on, in this case, it's the S&P. So the nice thing again about these trades is they can age gracefully without a lot of attention being required to them. If you have a 5% drawdown or a 5% move up in a short period of time, yes, it may require some attention. But under normal circumstances, unless there's a massive move, you have a very wide range that you can play in with this trade and not have to pay attention to it. And certainly in only the rarest of instances would you ever have to come in and make a trade on a specific day, specifically earlier in the trade. More often than not, if you don't adjust it today, you don't adjust it tomorrow, etc., particularly in the first half of the trade, it's a non-issue. Mastering the butterfly and its various configurations isn't about adding another tool to your belt. It's about unlocking a strategic powerhouse trade that's proven by countless professionals. So embrace the butterfly and elevate your options trading to new heights. If you would like to see how I traded 5 different butterfly trades from start to finish, starting with a simple on and off butterfly, all the way through 4 more complex butterflies with increasing levels of complexity, I have an offer for you. In addition to that butterfly offer, I'm also going to share 5 calendar and diagonal trades with you that also range from very simple to more complex with a host of adjustments included. I often use these trades around binary market events like earnings, Fed announcements, etc. to capitalize in the spikes in volatility. In these trade examples, I'm also going to spend about 45 minutes showing a butterfly, a condor, a calendar, all traded live around the same company's earnings announcement. And I'll be comparing and contrasting those and show you how each one of those did and why some did better than others. So please check out this special offer